How to view transaction history in Fifth Third Bank. First of all, open your preferred web browser and go to the official Fifth Third Bank website at 53.com. Next, click on the login button at the top right corner and enter your username and password to sign into your online banking account. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts or Account Summary section on your account dashboard. Now, click on the specific account you want to check, such as your checking or savings account. After that, find and select the Transaction History or Recent Transactions tab to view your past account activities. You can scroll through the list to see deposits, withdrawals, payments, and transfers. If available, use the filter option to sort transactions by date or transaction type to find specific entries quickly. You also have the option to download or print your transaction history for your records. Always remember to log out of your account after finishing for security reasons. And that's it. Now you know how to view transaction history in Fifth Third Bank. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.